Mondays and Fridays, we carve out 10 minutes or so to focus our mindset on what matters. I'm Sarah Parker Wolf, and you're listening to the Focused Intention Podcast. Thanks for joining me. This is Season 5, and we're focusing in on our connection to nature. Hey everyone, thanks for being here for the final episode of Season 5. We have been talking about nature for 70 episodes. Nature both around us and within us. And if you're just joining us, I encourage you to go back and discover previous episodes. You really can listen in any order. No need to, go in the order that they were released. For everyone, I will be taking a break now for a couple of weeks, hopefully knocking out the last of this nasty cold or whatever it is that's been hanging on. And when I'm back at the end of February, we will be diving into Season 6. Season 6 is all about gratitude and attitude, and I hope you will join me then. Okay, let's get to this week's quote. This week's quote is from American architect Frank Lloyd Wright. He wrote, "Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you." I happen to think old Frank here does a fine job of wrapping up this Season 5 journey and what I hoped it would awaken in all of us as we focus on nature. So to wrap up, I would just like to start with Frank's list and add a few little items. So we just take a moment, relax a little bit, find a comfortable spot, take a nice breath, and maybe lengthen your spine on the inhale. Find something that might need softening or relaxing on the exhale. And we put ourselves in nature, or in our mind's eye picture our favorite part of nature. Study nature. Love nature. Stay close to nature. Ground yourself in nature. Find your nature happy place. Connect to nature. Be in awe of nature. Find joy in nature. Notice the big and small of nature. Recognize yourself in nature. Recognize nature in yourself. Find inspiration in nature. Nurture your heart and mind in nature. Explore your inherent creativity in nature. Play in nature. Learn in nature. Respect nature. Care for nature. And most importantly, be grateful for nature. Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Frank Lloyd Wright. Thanks so much for joining me here on the Focused Intention podcast. I hope that you have enjoyed season 5, and I hope you will take a moment to follow us on your favorite podcast app. That way, when we're back in a couple weeks now for season 6, you will know when that episode lands. And I hope you can join me even in this interim here. We are still doing the focus word of the day. You can find that at Focused Intention Life on Instagram or on the Focused Intention podcast channel on YouTube, or you can find it on my website, focusedintentionlife.com. And you can also find my new books there. My new book, Daily Intentions for Parents of Kids on the Autism Spectrum, as well as my older books, Daily Intentions for the Classroom Teacher, and Focused Intention, 101 Reflections and Intentions to get you focused on what matters. Thank you so much for joining me for season 5 and for sharing your time with me today. And always, let's go out, live with intention, love like crazy. Get out there and enjoy all that nature is, and I will meet you back here at the end of February, and have a great day.